Hi, this is Mike Seeley. This is your virtual back to school night for Intro to Programming, and this Intro to Programming is I have during periods 2A, 3A, and 4A. Let's see here. I'll go through a little bit about me, and then we can kind of talk about the class. First, graduated from University of Colorado Springs, Bachelor of Science, Information Systems, and a minor in Finance, and I did my MBA in Finance and Tech Management. I was a database programmer for 2 years after college. This is my 16th year teaching and my 15th year at Eaglecrest High School. And for my second job, this is my 5th year at the Colorado Community College online system, and I teach CSC 119, Intro to Programming, and CSC 240. And I recently just picked up CSC 160, which is C++ Intro to Programming, basically. The classes I teach at Eaglecrest are Principles of Business, Computer Applications, Personal Finance, Web Design, Intro to Programming, AP Computer Science A, and AP Computer Science Principles. And my off hours are 1A, 1B, and 3B this semester. A little bit about the business department. This is the business pathways, the different classes that we offer. So Principles of Business, Business Personal Finance, Business Law, Accounting 1, Accounting 2, Marketing 1, 2, and 3, Computer Apps, Intro to Programming, AP Computer Business Co-op as well. I'll go through Schoology here in a minute. Alright, so let me find the class that we're in. Intro to Programming, a semester-long course, leads to AP Computer Science, and it's a concurrent enrollment class with the Community College of Aurora. I sent concurrent enrollment papers home this last weekend, so you can basically get college credit for taking this class at the high school level, because I've got all the degrees and qualifications and all that for it. Topics covered: reading, understand a problem, description, purpose and goals, syntax, primitive data types, objects, classes, methods, parameters, decision structures, truth tables, loop, strings, algorithms, testing and debugging. And with this class, you can also sign up for Future Business Leaders of America, which is basically a co-curricular club where they can pick like a business event or like a programming event and compete against other kids at different schools. I put up some of my AP Computer Science A pass rate. You can kind of see, I kind of have high expectations and do pretty well throughout the years. Trying to think here. You can see how my scores are usually pretty much higher than the global pass rate. My principal scores last year were about in line with the state average. I don't know. The COVID situation has been hard on this, so I don't know. But I just hope everything kind of goes back to normal this year, so we can keep the high scores going. Let's see here. If there are any questions, on that first or second page, I have my email. Shoot me an email. That's the best way to get a hold of me. Typically, if you're here, I'd have like some sort of note card you could fill out. Parent conferences will be coming up October 13th, and they're usually from 4 to 8, but I think they're going to be virtual this year. I'm not positive about that, but I think they're going to be virtual. So we'll have all the information. You can fill that out. So let me go through. So again, I said I had Intro to Programming 2A, 3A, and 4A, or computer programming. We just changed up the naming convention. So anyway, your son or daughter will see this kind of stuff, and right now it's kind of it's grayed out, which means that I just haven't published it yet. But I sent home this expectation sheet, and so this is a syllabus of the information we're going to cover. This was an activity we did first day of class. Let's see here. So your student would be at home, or your son or daughter will be at home, and I have everything set up by weeks. You know, objectives, what they're going to cover, what we're going to do that week. Now, they're not expected to do this at home. We're going to do this in class, but I have everything up now, you know, just in case, you know, doctor's appointments, sporting events, family emergencies, stuff like that. So everything's online. Now what I've done is I've built videos for just about everything I've done, so they can play them right here, or open them up. Let me show you. This has been kind of like my crowning jewel of the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours I've spent on this, building all these. So let's see here. So like this video is just downloading NetBeans at home. This is the compiler we're going to use for this class. So this is my YouTube channel, Code Hammer Bootcamp, pounding through the code. And so they're not going to be required to watch all these videos, because all these videos they're all Java videos, but they're my intro to programming, AP Computer Science Principles, and AP Computer Science A videos. But this is kind of what I've built, and it's linked to Schoology, so they can watch all my videos that I created. And so if there's like something that they don't recognize, like they didn't understand in class, and you know, they're embarrassed to raise their hand and ask for clarification, they can go back and watch these videos at home. Or, you know, like if they're studying and they don't understand something, so they can come watch these. So I don't know. Hopefully this kind of becomes successful. We'll see. There's not a huge, massive demand for programming videos, so, you know, we'll see, I guess. So anyway, that is computer programming. If you have any questions, again, email me. Like I said, every week I'll be opening these up. So, you know, the most recent week is higher up, and they can go back in and look up previous week's information if they need to catch up, or whatever. But again, I hope this is kind of a normal year, and should be a positive year. You know, your son or daughter is going to learn a lot, and hopefully work a lot in class, and enjoy the topics. So anyway, get a hold of me if you need me, or shoot me an email. All right, thanks, bye.